Hello and welcome to the It's Rain Crafts vlog. My name is Raina. You can find me on Instagram and Ravelry under SF Chick. Today is September 24th, 2021. I hope that you are all well. It's been a while since I've recorded a podcast, but here I am. So I have a couple finished objects. I have a few things coming up. And some whips. So why don't we get started? Let me roll off camera. Get my finished product. So the first finished object I have, it is not blocked yet. It is the Bean and Olive sweater by Andrea Mowry. I think I used Lilo did it in the Prince colorway for the purple. And I know the pink's Drunken Unicorn by Knitting in Color. I love Sarah's yarn. I love knitting with it. I got done with the body in August. Well, yeah, July. And then I just had the sleeves to do. But I pushed myself through my depression to get it done. And the next sweater that I have is my Rhinebeck sweater. I'm going to Rhinebeck. So excited. We were talking about it this morning. This is my Illuminate sweater by Andrea Mowry. It is done out of Knit Pick City tweed in the artichoke colorway in the lemon curd. So I went all the way down to the sleeves, and I finished this too because I want to wear, because the goal is to wear your sweater to Rhinebeck. I think the goal of every sweater is to wear to Rhinebeck. So yeah, this is my Illuminate sweater. The next cast on that I have is a sock in my basket. This is Mustache Yarn in her what's it say? The tag. Sergeant Score colorway, Mustache Yarn. In her Sergeant Score colorway, which is Sergeant Pepper. And if you know me, you know I love the Beatles. Kellen loves the Beatles. Kellen is my 10-year-old son, if you don't know. When I was pregnant with him, I would play the Beatles constantly on my iPod. I was like playing all sorts of different stuff for him to listen to. So he listened to a lot of the music in utero, and he likes all the music that we listen to. So this is Sergeant Score. It's I'm past the heel, going down the foot. I did 10 rows for the cuff, 40 rows for the leg. A Shadow Wrap Heel by Denise of Earth Tones Girl, and now I'm down the foot. And so, other than that, I cast it on a new sweater. It's called the Harkin Pullover. Let me see if I could find it on my phone for you. I'm so glad that I have Google Chrome on my phone. It saves all my passwords for when I'm not on my computer. And I can just pull it up. So, this is the Harkin Pullover. It is by Kristen Hipsky. It has eyelet details going down the shoulder. A very simple eyelet details going down the shoulder. Mine's going to be purple. And then I'm going to stripe the body with minis that I have. Strawberry shortcake minis. And then the sleeves are going to be purple. But I'm working on that now. And, oh, what I'm wearing is my Comfort Fade Cardi by Andrea Mowry again. I, striped it. I didn't fade it. So, it goes, there's all these fabulous colors in it. I think the most fabulous color is this orange right here. Reminds me of a creamsicle. But, yeah, that is what's going on. And we have a few trips planned in the next month. We're going to Philadelphia next weekend to see the Van Gogh show. And then we are going to Rhinebeck 2 weeks later. And then 2 weeks after that, we're going to see the Doobie Brothers finally in concert. I've seen them once. Saw them with Chicago in 2012 when my nephew Camden was just born. So we are ready, and I just love the crisp, cool air. I figured I'd wear a cardigan today because why not? And it's like 70 degrees outside, but in my basement it's much cooler. So this is why I usually wear my knits. But other than that, I'm going to I had my father-in-law hang some hooks for me so I can hang my project bags. I don't want to turn the iPad. If I turn the iPad around, let's see. See these hooks? See the bags? See the hooks? I have 6 of them. So all around my space, I have hooks and I have project bags hanging from them. But other than that, nothing else is really going on. Kellen's back in school. He started 5th grade. He loves it. Of course, I went to meet the teacher night. So all the kids had to do this booklet about them. And it said 1 unique fact about me. He wrote, I'm smart. I said, and then it had his favorite song, what he thought of his family. It was just little tidbits about him. But there's no doubt of self-confidence in my son. I wish that I had the self-confidence that he does. But I'm going to shut this off for now. So I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.